God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.
Starting the vlog in the dark, you guys can hardly see me. My goodness. Okay, I am on my way to a after work drinks with a friend that I haven't seen like, in a long time. So we're gonna go have some drinks and hopefully he will pay because I'm broke. I'm trying to save up for something, so can't be spending money however I want to. Hopefully I will find him, because if it's not him, then I don't know. If he's not here, then it's his loss. It's a Friday afternoon. Oh, I'm tired.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm wearing this jumpsuit again because it is blazing hot and it's not even 9 o'clock again. So the uncles are here to come and put in the towels. I'm very happy. I'm hoping that they finish today because I need to go to town to go get a few things so that I can sort out my life. I'm going to be off on Monday so that I can solve my life problems, basically. But I'm happy they are here today. They're going to put in the towels and I will show you the process, hopefully. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go to town so that I can buy a few things. I need a strip and I need to go do a few things in town with my own also. Let's get a taxi and go to town. I'm at Build now to buy strips, so hopefully they will help me. I am fine. I just came back from town to buy the strips. They're almost done. They finished with one wall and they took out the toilet pot. I wasn't expecting them to take it out. I hope they put it back in properly. But yeah, anyway. So we're just gonna wait and see how everything looks like, because I can't go film there now where they're busy. So we'll just have to wait and see the end result. So this is what they did so far. So far this is what they've done. They still have to do this wall and then the bath, and they're gonna put this thing back. And they took out the toilet pot, which I'm very like, but I'm happy because it looks neater now. Ne? It looks far neater now with the pot on top of the tub. And they have to put towels there at the back. But yeah, everything is fine. This is the door. And then the tile goes up till there on top of that thing. Right underneath it. So I'm actually happy about that, because they can just put that white stuff there so that they can seal it nicely. And yeah, you guys, that is the bathroom. So if I like the tile, yeah, this is it, guys. And these are the tiles that are left. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 8 boxes left of this tile. And tonight we're gonna have to wash in this thing because we can't use the bath. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you in my next one. I was basically sleeping while they were working, but anyway, I will see you in my next vlog. Yeah,
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.